Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about find the solution of x. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do that is about we need to divide both sides by b, and we have 8 over b equals to sine x minus d cosine x. The second formula we need to concentrate in here. So we have the right triangle. Let's say we have number 1 and d in here. So this one we can use about Pythagorean theorems, and that is about the square root of 1 plus d square. Now let's say I select about this angle in here, and I will put about alpha. So we know that sine alpha that is about opposite number 1 divided by hypotenuse, and that's about the square root of 1 plus d square. And we also know that cosine alpha that is about adjacent, that is about d divided by hypotenuse, this one. So in this situation, we divide both sides by the square root of 1 plus d square. And they have like this. Now, if we look carefully about this one and this one, that is about cosine alpha and sine alpha. Now, we change sine alpha and cosine alpha for this one and this one. So we have like this. Now, we put the negative for the both sides. And we have like this. This one will be positive, this one will be negative. And now we have the next one. So we have cosine A plus B. That is about cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. And that should be about cosine alpha plus x. Now, in this situation, we have the next formula. That is about cosine 8 equals to b. So we will have about 8 equal to arc cosine of b plus k to b. And we know that k belongs to integers. And we have the second one, 8 equals to negative arc cosine of b plus k to b. So in this situation, we have like this. Now we put alpha go to the right, and now we have the final answer. Now, about alpha, we can select about this one or this one. So I will select about this one in here. And alpha, that is about arc sine of this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.